Is AdsPower actually the best anti-detect browser you can get right now? That's exactly what we are going to put to the test in this video. The features, pricing, automation, and the whole AdsPower browser. Hi, I am Vashish Kapoor, your online buddy who reviews SaaS tools and helps you ace whatever you do in the tech space, whether that's advertising, blogging, or marketing. So now let's talk about pricing. They've got monthly pricing and also discounted annual prices. The free plan is free forever. You get two profiles and basic profile management with fingerprint control. And there's 7-day free trial if you want to test the paid features as well. Next is professional plan. This is the entry paid plan starting at $9 a month or $7.2 a month if you pay annually. And that is $86.4 for the year. It scales with profiles. You pick 10, 20, 50 or up to 100, and this is the one that surprises people. Even at the bottom, it includes the RPA automation and synchronizer, the local API, and profile import export. The business plan, which is the popular pick for teams, at $61 a month or $48 a month billed annually, you get higher profile volumes, a faster local API at 300 requests a minute, plus the full team collaboration tools, permission control, and unlimited profile sharing. The enterprise plan is at custom pricing, built for scale, 5,000 plus profiles, customizable team size, and fully customizable RPA workflows. The faster API at 600 requests a minute, and dedicated support and onboarding as well. So, which plan should you pick? The free plan is great just to test the waters. And remember, it's permanent, not a countdown trial. The professional plan starting around $7 a month is the sweet spot for solo operators. Get Getting automation at that price is honestly exceptional since competitors charge 20 to 30 for the same thing. Business is for agencies and growing teams that need the team features, and enterprise is for the people running thousands of profiles. So first of all, open the link in your browser. From there, you can download AdsPower for your operating system. It's available for Windows, macOS, or Linux. I'm using macOS, so I download on my macOS version. Once the download is complete, install it just like any other Mac application. Simply open the DMG file, drag AdsPower into the applications folder, and the installation is done. Once it is installed, open Launchpad or Spotlight search, type AdsPower, and then you can open the application. The first time you launch AdsPower, you will be asked to log in or create an account. If you already did, then simply log in. If not, create one using the link I already given in the beginning of this tutorial. You will also find that link in the video's description and the first pinned comment. After creating your account, use those credentials to log in to the application. I already have a lot of browser profiles here, but since my paid plan has expired, I am back to the free plan, which allows only two browser profiles. And that's actually perfect because I'll show you how to use AdsPower for free. So, create your first browser profile, click on New Profile. First, enter an account name. For example, I'll use Google Ads Client XYZ. If you have an account ID, you can add that too. This makes it much easier to identify your profiles later when you have several of them. Next, choose the operating system and browser fingerprint. You can select macOS, Windows, Linux, or Android versions, and you can also choose a specific OS version, such as Windows 11 or macOS 26. If you would like, you can randomize the user agent as well. You can also organize your profiles by creating groups, and if you already have browser cookies, you can import and manage them here as well. Now comes the most important part of any anti detect browser, which is proxy. If you're using multiple accounts, every browser profile should identify and ideally have its own unique IP address. Otherwise, using an anti-detect browser doesn't provide much benefit if all your profiles share the same IP. To add a proxy, click Custom. You can also choose from your saved proxies or use one of the integrated proxy providers available inside AdsPower, but I will select Custom. Now for the proxy type, I'll be choosing HTTP. You can choose the one that fits from your provider. I will leave the IP checker on the default option, and you will now see fields for the host, port, username, and password. The good thing is that you don't have to fill these manually. I'm using Node Maven proxies, so I will open my Node Maven dashboard from the proxy setup page. I can configure my proxy by selecting the collection type, country, region, city, and other options. Then I will go to the proxy generator, generate a proxy, and copy it. Back in AdsPower, I'll simply paste it into the host and port field. AdsPower will automatically fill in the remaining details like the username and password, and these are the minimum settings required to create a browser profiles. And before creating it, click check proxies to make sure everything is working properly and working correctly. And once the proxy check is successful, click on OK and your browser profile will be created. Now that the profile has been created, you can arrange these columns however you like. To launch the profile, click on Open under the Actions column, and the first time you open a profile, you may see a message saying that the browser kernel is not installed, and that's completely normal, and it will automatically start downloading right after you get that prompt. And just click the download button or just wait for it to once finish installing, and once it's installed, just click on Open again, and your browser profile will now launch with its own browser fingerprint, operating system, user agent, and proxy settings. As you can see, it's using an United States IP address, just what I configured it in Node. And you can also verify your IP using websites like ipinfo.io, which is the one I use most often. And that's it. You can now browse the web just like you do in any normal browser, but with an isolated browser profile and its own unique browser fingerprint. Now, let me give you the honest pros and cons before we get into the tutorial. On the plus side, there's the automation depth is genuinely unmatched at this price. The no-code RPA and the synchronizer just are not available this cheap anywhere else. It's very affordable, 5 to 25 times cheaper than the comparable tools, right? And there's a permanent free plan and not a countdown trial. You get dual browser cores, strong team features, frequent updates, and 24/7 live chat that people actually rate highly. And plus, bulk profile creation and that built in proxy marketplace as well. So, is AdsPower worth it? After going through everything, the features, pricing, the way it actually performs, my take is pretty clear. For the vast majority of people, it's the best value anti-detect browser you can get right now. If you are a solo marketer or freelancer, the base plan at 540 a month with automation and a synchronizer included is honestly a no-brainer. If you're running an agency, the Pro plans, team features, and activity logs feel enterprise grade at a mid market price. And if you're just curious, the permanent free plan lets you try it without spending a cent. So, guys, my verdict is very clear. Ads Power is genuinely very hard to beat, and it is a 5 out of 5 on features. And if this review helped you out, the link and the discount code are down in the description below of this video. And I've also added it into the first comment, and I have got setup guides and other anti-detect browser reviews on the channel as well. So subscribe if you want more of this, and I will see you in the next one.